Moto Home of the quick and easy where nothing is quick. Definitely not easy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Chrysler 200. We are replacing rear bearings. We're just gonna do one side, but it's the same for both sides. So this one is Moog.
That's a good quality.
Moog.
Very good quality.
Yep. Alright, so first thing first.
First thing first, you take the caliper, take the out caliper. Take the caliper, that's a 14.
So
That's
14 millimeter.
Yes.
And this is going to be step by step.
Just take the first, go like this, up, take out.
Alrighty, so next.
If you take the rotors, rotors and drums, now we go back, take with 17. See, this is go inside. Deconnect. Yes, that's the first deconnect the 10 millimeter. Deconnect the
Sensor.
speed sensor. Let's take out. See? Looks like this. That's a 17
millimeter.
Yes, 17.
There's 4 bolts.
Or we'll take the pipe. That's a very heavy. See? One. Two. Okay, I use the gun. That's how I show that how you work home.
Bolts are still in.
If you work home, you need to use just a bar and a hammer to move a little bit, move left and right to go out. I work in garage, I use the puller. That's it. See, we need to put WD-40 and any lubricant.
And it's out.
You need to clean this.
The face.
put the back. A little bit push inside bolt. See, I put the back and I put a little bit bolt out inside to stay the place.
Hold on. Okay, so which bolt are you putting on?
You see that? You see? That's I put bolt to stay.
Oh, okay, so it's staying up.
Yes, and now we put a bearing. See, new bearing. See, that's a bearing. You put like this on this side. On this side, go to sensor. No, put like this. Put like this. Put inside. See, and you a little bit put hand like this. And a little bit.
So you
you,
started it, yeah.
yes, start the
Thread.
thread. That's it. You lift it up. Okay. Be tight with 17. Again, be tight with
I'm gonna have to check the proper torque for the bolts.
yes. If you don't have torque, you with by hand tight, good with pipe. That's it. That's it.
I'm
Now
gonna
you,
retorque that later.
yes, you put now sensor. See sensor back. Put the sensor back and put the 10 millimeter small bolt. You tight. That's it. Not too much or not.
So the whole job, if you have the tools and everything like this, not even 15 minutes.
And you need to put the, I put a little bit on you, I put a grease.
Copper grease.
Every time I put a copper grease to no seize up, no.
Prevents the rust.
Yes. After
Okay.
you replace the, easy to replace the,
This was actually quick and easy.
you see, it's okay. A little bit clean.
Put back the caliper.
But first we put the brakes. Put the brakes back. We put the caliper.
Slide the pin inside.
I put the,
Make sure the rubber is good.
yes, put a little bit. You put the grease, a special grease for a pin. That's a special dark. Any grease for brakes. Good there. That's why I use the 14. You need to open this bolt, just one pin.
I'm gonna have to check the torque for everything before we put it back together. But that's it.
That's it, job is done.
Alright, thanks for watching and see you next video.